How do machines actually learn from data? They learn either with answers or without answers. Let's begin with a question. We measure air pollution at different locations and times. We already know the pollution level for each location. Now we want to predict pollution at a new place. Is this supervised or unsupervised learning? This is supervised learning, because the machine already knows the correct pollution values while learning. These correct values are called labels. Next question. A researcher observes how monks interact in a monastery. He records who meets whom, but he does not know which monk belongs to which group. Is this supervised or unsupervised learning? This is unsupervised learning, because there are no labels. The machine discovers patterns on its own. Another question. NASA tests rocket booster designs using computer simulations. They already know the lift for some designs. Now they want to predict lift for new designs. Supervised or unsupervised? This is supervised learning because the correct answers are already known during training. Final question. Small cameras record bird nests. The video must be compressed due to limited bandwidth. The machine groups similar pixels together. Are labels in here? No. So this is unsupervised learning. Remember this simple rule. If data comes with answers, it is supervised learning. If data has no answers, it is unsupervised learning. Pause for a moment. Think about it. You've got it.